And so can you just let everybody know what is the Congressional App Challenge and why did you choose to enter this?
The Congressional App Challenge is a nationwide coding competition where students in high school and middle school create an app which they submit to the regional congressional representative. This app then is judged, and the winner for each district is invited to attend an event called the House of Code in Washington, D.C. at the Capitol. I chose to enter this competition because I'm really interested in programming and also solving community problems. This competition combines both of these worlds together.
And can you explain what your app was, what the name is, and kind of what it does?
So my app is called ASL Handshake. It's an English sign language to English interpreter and English to sign language interpreter. So how this app works is when one makes a gesture at the camera, like a gesture in ASL, it will read this gesture in the form of a continuous stream and interpret the English into written English. So the idea here is that we'd be able to take people who speak and communicate in sign language and then interpret that into written English so that everyone can understand, which effectively facilitates the gap in communication between non-ASL users and ASL users.
Was there something or somebody who inspired you to kind of build your app around that concept?
Yes, so I have a friend who has a special hearing ability and they would communicate in ASL. I'm not the most fluent ASL user, so using this app really helps me communicate with them and more effectively kind of bridge this gap in language.
How long was the development time from start to finish to get this app up and running?
So I took about a year to get this app up and running. I spent about 5 to 7 hours per week. So in total, give or take about 150 hours programming the app.
Was there one element of the app's design that was specifically challenging? What was that, and how did you kind of work that out?
I'd say the most challenging aspect was the implementation of AI in the app. So how the app works is after it takes the camera stream, it's interpreting these images into written English. So the challenge with that is being able to identify the image, which it uses a neural network, a form of AI, to do. So in this form of AI, it's since it's kind of a new and upcoming technology with a lot of growth and development, things are constantly changing. And also, I'm brand new to this field in a way. So just being able to take the technology and trying to get it to work in the specific context was somewhat of a challenge for me.
Now, as the winner, you mentioned some of the benefits of that. Could you just, again, I know you got to go up to see, I think it's Senator Auchincloss or Representative Auchincloss, I'm not 100% sure, but you got to go up there. What was that like, and what are some of the other things that you get to do as the winner here from Massachusetts?
Yeah, so as the winner here, I got my app featured on the Congressional website, and I'm also able to attend the House of Code. I got to meet a lot of other high school students and also sponsors of the event down in DC.
And what's the future of Handshake? Do you have any plans to expand or keep working on it, or is there something that now that this competition is over, that's kind of in the past for you?
So I'd say I do want to continue my work on Handshake. I want to be able to expand the app more, so incorporate more sign languages, improve the accuracy, and continue testing and improving the app before maybe trying to release it sometime in the future.
You mentioned releasing it in the first. Are people able to access it now currently on whatever device they use, or is it something that's not really released to the public yet?
So a bit of both. So you can access the app online and via a website, but I haven't really officially released it for public use. So more of if I share the link with someone who I want to test it with, it can be used that way, but not really general use quite yet.
And then my final question, only kind of semi-related to this, but it seems like you're pretty interested in the STEM fields. How important or how much of a benefit has it been for Feehan to add that new innovation and arts wing and some of the really cool labs that they have going on in there?
I'd say Feehan adding this new innovation and arts wing has been really helpful. It's been so great to be able to meet up with other students in clubs and classes and having a more official space. And it's really been such a great thing for Feehan to give so many resources to students, and I'm really thankful for it.